Alright, hello. I'm doing a quick video on the LeBron. I think these are called Electric Green, Tropical Green, or something like that. But I call them the Sprites, and I think that's what it was called like back in the early 2010s when these originally released. So these are retro of the lows, 8s, Sprites, LeBron. I got these a little bit early because I bought them internationally. I think from the UK. They dropped early on that site. On that side. Just zooming in. These are really nice. So LeBrons are not as popular as they used to be. So I think these won't sell out, but it's really hard to tell sometimes. Bots just pick things up. But I honestly don't think these are gonna sell out that much because they're the LeBrons like blue and orange didn't really sell out. I think they sold out in like Nike, but in other stores they were just sitting. These may do similar things, but I think this colorway is a bit hotter, and it's also summertime and these are lows, so maybe somebody want to hit. But the way Nike has been dropping so many sneakers, people may not even have money to invest in these because these are like $200. I think it's going to be $200 US. But once again, I bought these internationally, so it was a little bit cheaper simply because I didn't have to pay taxes over there. So it would have been like $230, and I think I just ended up paying like $190. The way it like converted out. Because I also didn't have to pay any taxes for like the VAT, international taxes, all that stuff. But anyways, these are really nice. I'm gonna be wearing these. I really like this colorway. I think the 8s and the 10s are the best LeBron models. If you look at the back, that's how he's sitting. I think that's his signature. The back, fly wire. You got that air bubble at the bottom. These are really nice. I really like those a lot. And the thing about LeBrons, it's really hard to dye. Like these last for a very long time. I haven't worn them yet. I just got them, but I'm definitely gonna wear them during the summer. I don't know what 828 means though. It says designed and engineered to the exact specifications of Mr. LeBron James 828. I'm not sure what that means. But anyways, these oh, that detail is really nice. I like that. They come with extra laces. This is pretty nice. It's cool to have that. So if anyone wants them, I'm sure it's going to probably be easy to cop. Locally, it may sell out on the Nike sneakers app. But I think like Foot Locker and maybe a local sneaker shops will have them. Fire. Anyways, just showing you a quick video, details of what these look like, how these sit in. Oh, these are the bottoms. Really nice. Oh, I love that. I love that lion. The traction is nice. These are fire. Alright, peace.